first thing first, we are going to draw a horizontal line which represents the perimeter QR 150 millimeters. We are going to label this line QR. Now we are going to draw a line of any angle and any length from Q, and we're going to divide that line into 9 equal parts. Why 9 equal parts? 9 equal parts because 9 represents the total number when we add up the proportions together. So we have the proportions as 2, 3, and 4. So the total of 2, 3, and 4 will give us 9. This will in turn allow us to divide QR into 9 equal parts. Now it's important that we check and we make sure that we have this line divided into 9 equal parts. Now we are going to connect this last arc, or the 9th arc, to R, which is the end of our line that represents the perimeter. Now we are going to label that last arc 9. Now we are going to copy and paste this line at each arc. It's important to get that endpoint or intersection mark. Now we have our perimeter divided into 9 equal parts. Now the first 2 spaces represents one side. Then the next 3 spots represents the base. So we can label this point B and we can label this point C. So BC represents the base. Now from C we can scribe an arc with R being the radius. And from B, using the circle tool, we can draw a circle with Q as radius. Let's label this point A. This is going to be our altitude for our triangle now, or the highest point. And now we can connect our points B to A to C. And there we have it, our triangle with perimeter 150 millimeters and proportions 2, 3, and 4.